This Skil 12 inches quick mount compound miter saw with laser comes with a powerful 15 amp motor with 4,500 RPM. This miter saw by Skil also comes with a quick mount system for quick and easy setup on Skil miter saw stand, simple to adjust and convenient to use. This Skil 12 inches quick mount compound miter saw with laser is highly recommended for woodwork and other fabrication. It has an innovative design with positive stops for setting common miter angles, well built of heavy duty and tough material. This miter saw speaks well of its safety. Using the positive stops for setting common miter angles is super efficient, as it also includes a laser cutline guide for fast and accurate and precise cuts. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Laser Cutline Guide for fast and accurate cuts. Number 2. 9 positive stops for setting common miter angles. Number 3. Powerful 15 amp motor with 4,500 RPM. Number 4. Table extension with left-right extension rails for long, large workpieces. Number 5. Quick mount system for quick and easy setup on Skil miter saw stand. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Blade included? Answer: the blade is included with this model. Question number 2. Can brush from Skil chop saw work on Skil miter saw? Answer: brush compatibility can vary from model. To find out more information on how to replace the brushes. Question number 3. Is this saw single or double bevel? Answer: this Skil is a single bevel miter saw. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.